Today we'll be discussing about Green API. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace and you can search for Green. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you select them all, you will be having the option to enable automatic future installations. But right now we will be just choosing a specific sub account location 1. Here it is. Continue with that and allow an install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. We are moving back towards the agency level. Here we are. As you can see, it is installed. The next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed Green for workflows. Let's choose the location 1. Here we are on the location 1 and we have to find for the app configuration, as we have to get it configured before using any actions. Find for the app configuration down below in the navigation bar. Here it is. And after that, find for Green for workflows. Let's get it configured. To do that, so you have to create an account for Green API, and after that, in the settings, you can find for the console, and from there you can just reach out your API token instance. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are on Green API account, as we have already created that. And after that, after creating your account, you can just search for console.greenapi.com and this interface will be appearing in front of you. This interface basically. And after that, you have to create a new instance like we have already did. And in this instance, you will be finding the ID instance and API token instance. You have to copy both of these codes, and after that, after pasting both of these there, your app will be configured. Let me show you. After copy pasting both of these, just submit and proceed. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now the next step will be moving forward towards the automations and create a workflow to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Find for the automations in the navigation bar above. And now we will be creating a workflow, start from scratch. And now we are here in the workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and just find for Green for workflows. Here it is. These are the variety of actions available. You can send, get, or delete any message. Let's just send the message and the chat ID with that. You can just find your chat ID. Let me show you how to find that. We are back in our Green API account, and you can just enter your number and the quantity of messages you want. We have just found it by ourselves, and down below in the code you can just get the chat ID. Paste that here and save this action now. Save the whole and just test your workflows. Run this test and now head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action has been executed successfully now. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.